So I keep my leaves here that are pruned, then I will show you step by step. Stay with me to see the steps of me making this syrup. Okay, so now this is my secret of my syrup here. Throw away these pruning tomato leaves. Making a unique syrup, tomato leaves have a wonderful earthy aroma. So this is my tomato leaf, this is the onions, and this is my garlic. Here. There you go. Alright, onions. Onion skins, rosemary, you can chop your rosemaries just to stay there because it will soak for some time. Sugar you can just put enough, not too many, not light. This one is a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. Here we go. I'm just gonna use this cup, so I use 1 cup of this one of the gram masala. Cinnamon also I'm gonna use almost a cup, but not completely full. Cinnamon smells yummy. There we go. This one we just sprinkle it. Right there. Oh yeah. I wish you can smell this. This is very yummy. Being I have onions, so I don't use a lot. I just take like this one. I can count 3 because this is 2 and the other one are very little. So water. How it's looking like, smells yum. Yeah. So you can soak it for 12 hours, then you water your plants. So this is my substance that I want to feed here. So I don't have like filter. So excuse me. It has good aroma, but the pests don't like the aroma of the cinnamon. Because if you did see how I made the substance, so no need for sieving. Just act as fertilizer too. It's environment friendly because it's just sugar, garlic, it's everything that you can find in your kitchen. So very environment friendly. So we have for dinner, and now I'm gonna do watering, and I can see the snail has started coming in my garden. So those are the things you must check garden every day. I see a very big snail, so I just set this one aside. So the snail is already here. They're also looking. You must check your garden every day. I'm just gonna take it away. Then I do what? So I'm gonna do pure water first. Then I will do my substance, the syrup of the leaves that I made yesterday, which is here now. So this is so nice. Smells good. Yum. Still alive. These ones, they eat your vegetables too, so you must check the garden every day, even if it is one day, after one day, but don't let the garden stay there without checking. So I'm just gonna throw it away a little bit far away. I have so many birds.